Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Lily's English podcast. Have you ever seen an AI tool make a funny mistake? What would you think if a computer called a person a blueberry? Today, we talk about a news story about TikTok. Their new AI tool made some big errors. Let's learn together. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming very common. Many companies use AI to help users understand content. TikTok is a popular video app. They added a new AI feature. This feature describes what a video shows. But sometimes, the AI did not work well. It gave very wrong and strange descriptions. People found this funny and shared it online. TikTok listened to the feedback. They changed the feature to only suggest products. This story shows that AI is not always correct. It is important to check the information. Let me tell you the story in simple words. TikTok tested a new AI tool. This tool wrote descriptions for videos. Only some users in the US and the Philippines saw the descriptions. But the descriptions were often wrong. For example, an AI description called a famous dancer a collection of blueberries. Another description said a dance video showed someone hitting their head with a rubber chicken. These mistakes became popular online. Many users shared screenshots. The company changed the feature. Now it only suggests products from the videos. This is a good example of how AI can help, but also make errors. Now let's look at a key sentence from this story. The sentence is, TikTok's new AI feature made a big error when it called a dancer a blueberry. I will say it again. TikTok's new AI feature made a big error when it called a dancer a blueberry. Let's look at the parts. TikTok's new AI feature means the new tool from TikTok. Made a big error means it made a serious mistake. When it called a dancer a blueberry describes the error. The AI said the person was a fruit. That is a very funny error. So the sentence tells us the main problem. The AI was wrong. Now, let's focus on one useful word from this story. The word is error. Error means a mistake. For example, I made an error in my math homework. Or, the computer program had an error and stopped working. In the news, the AI made an error. That means it gave wrong information. A common collocation is human error. That means a mistake made by a person. You can also say error message or make an error. Try to use this word when something is not correct. For example, there was an error in the report. Now let's see if you remember the new word. I will ask a quiz question. Listen carefully. What does the word error mean? A, a success. B, a funny joke. C, a mistake. D, a new idea. Think about it. The correct answer is C, a mistake. That is right. An error is a mistake. In our story, the AI made an error. It was not correct. Keep learning English from the news. See you next time. And remember to subscribe to Lily's English podcast for new lessons every week.